Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today is the second Tuesday of June 2026, and the second Tuesday means it's Patch Tuesday for security updates on Windows 11. So if you have Windows 11 24H2, 25H2, you're getting these updates. I just installed mine, so if you go to your Windows updates and check your updates, you will see that there will be one that is security update KB5094126, and it will actually bring your version to 26100 or 26200.8655, depending on 24H2, 25H2 versions. You might also have some .NET security updates and some other updates also for the malware removal tool. So this is all possible that you'd get that on your computer. So this, of course, is security updates mostly. But remember that this also brings, if you haven't done it yet, the preview update of the month of May. So it adds features, and quite a few features too. So some most notably that you might actually notice is the famous low latency profile that will speed up your computer. So you might find that opening apps and the start menu and all of that is much faster on especially older PCs, and that the performance is much better. So this is the low latency profile that is apparently turned on for everybody today. There's also quite a few other things, including now camera can be shared with multiple apps at the same time. Before, if you were using the camera, say, on one app, you couldn't use it anywhere else. It would say that it's already in use. Now, with this update, you're going to be able to use it with multiple apps at the same time. There's also a update that brings Bluetooth capabilities. If you're using Bluetooth and have the proper hardware, now you will have in this update the ability to share Bluetooth audio with two devices. If you have, say, someone else that wants to listen to the same music you're listening to, maybe you're watching Netflix, you could both have your earbuds and just enable that feature within the Bluetooth features where you can share audio now. So this is another interesting thing in here. So a few other things also are in there. So these are the most notable that I can think of. And of course, security updates at the same time. So check it out. And especially to stay safe, we'll be looking at what is the major updates, what are the security updates in the next video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.